It's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, our newest location, and I'm super excited because I have Drew, the real truck rep here, and he's come by here with not one but two new products that you might not have seen yet. And this is my first time actually. One of the items I've seen on a show, but the other items first time seen in person. What is it? Well, I'll tell you 1 second. If you have questions, we have good answers. That is our telephone number. Feel free to call us anytime. So, by the way, we have our general manager behind here, by the way, John. And hey, guess what? Isn't it your birthday this weekend, John? So everybody wish John a happy birthday. And what do we have here? Well, we have two things. We have the Elevate Elevate base system. It's the lower one here. And we also have the Real Truck Retrax. That's Pro Easy Off. Hopefully I got it right there. Now there's some differences on this versus a regular RetraxPro, and I'm going to go over those with you right now. So I'm sure this is locked, so let's go ahead and lock it. So then I'll go over the racks after we go to the cover. First thing first, this thing here has a little different handle, and it's a little easier to open and close, something to grip on there. I like that handle a little bit better. It's got if you look here, you got your dual locking mechanism, so it locks both sides. I think this is a nice upgrade from the other one. Of course, you got your metal slats here, all done in powder coated finish. It should have the same warranty as the other one, which is a lifetime warranty. And again, you got this great little handle. Now, also, if you look inside the bed, what is that on the canister? It is a bed rug. They're not putting bed rugs on the canister. Why is that great? Well, one thing is it looks great. Two is I'm going to show you why it's nice to have it on there, because the Easy Off is exactly how it sounds. You can actually remove the canister. You're like, what? What are you talking about, Chris? How do you remove it? I go, well, now I had got one. They showed me one time how to do it. Let's see if I can remember how to do it. This here is the handle, and we're only going to do one side. But first thing first, there's two things I have to do. I'm going to go ahead, and this is the new release here. This is going here, and basically this is going to kind of slide into this little groove here. Now, usually you wouldn't have this other piece in here. Let's see if I can. All right. Oh, I forgot. I have to undo these little things. Now it should slide in. So I'm lifting this up. I'm going to leave all the bloopers in there. Again, this is my first time doing this, so let's see. That's going to slide. It would be easier if I didn't have these other little things in the way. There we go. Now, put that back down there. This is going to slide over, and then I'm going to lock into place here. Now, if you look here, there's a little pin in here, and I'm pulling that off, and I'm going to, there we go. That should undo it. Now, the benefit of this is, let's say you're going somewhere and you got something big to put in the back, and you're like, man, I need that other 10, 12 inches of space to put whatever I'm going to put in there. Well, this is designed where you can, that's right, look what I'm doing. I'm lifting up. You basically do the same thing I just showed you on the other side, and you can take this out, put it to the side, leave these on there, by the way. You're just removing the canister. Now you got 100% access to your bed. This is the only company that is doing anything similar to this. First time I've seen it. I think it's pretty darn cool. And the nice thing, again, if you need the more space with the racks, these guys come off really easy. Look at that sucker. Whoops, the seal came off there. I'll put that back on, no big deal. We leave the bloopers in. So again, I'm going to take this back off. Now I'm going to open that up, and slide these out. This again, it would be easier if I didn't have the rack here, but not too bad. There we go. Aha. So I took that back off. Now if you look over here, nice little spot to put it. They kind of thought of everything. Now I would say to take this off is within minutes versus maybe longer. I'm not changing it. That's staying there. Okay. It would be easier if I could see what I'm doing here, but there's it. And then I have to put the pin back in there, which for now I can't see. I'm going to leave it alone. Now, again, you got your nice little handle here. Rolls very good. And again, these will lock anywhere along the track. You're going to push that down. Now, this is where your lock is now. And the reason they have the cover on there, which does have a nice little seal around it, is so the elements don't get into your lock. So if you're in a cold weather state, the water gets in there, it freezes the lock. You can't put your key in there. Well, they put this on there to prevent that from happening. All in all, this is a great setup. Now, if you like what you see here, the good news is the Easy Off Pro here by Retrax is available now. Now, I have not sold one. This was actually brought here by the rep from Real Truck, and I was so excited. I go, what are you driving? And he showed me what it was, and I go, that's great. I like that. And I'm looking forward to putting these on my truck. I think these are some of the easiest removal. Look at that. Now, these being a little taller, Some of the other covers, you'll get a little bit more clearance. If you're maybe on the rolling cover, you should be able to clear it. It all depends, but if not, you can lift it up, roll the thing, put it back down. So super, super smart design. And also you got these little load masters over, I forget the name. This is good if you're gonna put something on there, you want to keep it together. All in all great setup. And you do have a nice little T-slot in here as well. And there's a T-slot underneath there, so if you want to put some other stuff in there. Again, if you like anything you see, give us a call. You saw the phone number at the bottom. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a review of the RetraxPro Easy Off with the new Tuxedo Elevate base system. And this is on the new 25 Tacoma. And don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you.